Why not to ejaculate? I'm going to communicate here in this video about FAP. Why not to FAP? FAP के बारे में. So in this video I'm going to talk about FAP. What does FAP means? FAP means simple term to masturbate. So why not to masturbate? So when we are talking about FAP, when we are talking about not to FAP, what does it mean? What does it mean? It means the vital fluid that creates life in our existence has a very empowering meaning. When we are talking about the vital fluid making life existence here, that means it's a very powerful fluid because it is bringing a life in your existence. What does a life mean? Life means a whole structure, a whole system that consists soul, spiritual body, physical body, dimensions, different realms of our existence. Our that is called our life. So it is the fluid of life. We are saying it is the fluid of life. In our sacred scriptures, we have find that everybody say to conserve the semen. Why to conserve the semen? Because semen consumption has vital impact in our whole system, in our whole physicality, not only physicality. It is also in our other spiritual body. Our have one everybody has spiritual body, physical body, and other dimensional bodies. There are various realms of bodies that are existing here. So when we are communicating about the various realms of bodies that are existing here, and that moment, what happens when various spiritual bodies are existing here, like various dimensional bodies are existing here, and when we are fapping, we are ejaculating our sperm. What we are doing, we are wasting it, or it is voluntary or involuntary, whatever it is, we are wasting it. Means the life force is getting wasted. The life force is getting wasted. So if the life force is getting wasted, means we are wasting the vitality of our life, the vitality that is also in scientific and spiritual medium. When we talk about the semen, what does retention means? Why retention is as focused in our spiritual scriptures? Eventually it is now proved in scientific realms that retention has numerous benefits, numerous vitality that is essential to that is essential to that is essential to that is essential to retain the semen. Why it is essential to retain the semen, that we are going to understand right now. So when we are retaining the semen, it is directly connected to our spiritual body, physical body, and dimensional bodies that are present here. Whole physicality is connected to various realms of bodies here. Our aura is here, our things are here, which has very natural impact in all the realms. When we ejaculate, all the other dimensional selves are getting impacted, totally impacted. We just get the pleasure of 0.1 second. 0.1 second, we are getting the pleasure of ejaculation. Why the pleasure is there in the only the ejaculation? When we are talking about why pleasure is given in the ejaculation, and for that minute, that pleasure is useless. The point is that pleasure is totally useless. One has to understand that pleasure is not a real pleasure, because pleasure doesn't have anything to deal with reality, because their pleasure is given so that the reproductive cycle of life will continue. That's why the pleasure of minute 0.1 second is given. That what the body's physicality is a reproductive system. So generations after generations, so increasing to generations, for that reason, that particular 0.1 second of pleasure is given in the semen, in the ejaculation of semen. That time only 0.1 second of pleasure is given, but not real. That is not a real thing. That is not a real thing. When we are communicating about it, it's about a like ejaculating or something like that. So that is not a real thing. When we are communicating about it, that is not a real thing. That is not a real pleasure. Nothing about pleasure. Pleasure is nothing. When we are communicating in our scriptures and everything, in scientific thing or anything, pleasure doesn't have anything. Serenity, inner peacefulness, the happiness, the depth of happiness of our mind has definitely has the reality of serenity, reality of soothingness. That is real. But that zero point 0.1 minute, 0.1 second of pleasure is not a real thing when we are communicating about it. People usually, Homo sapiens, ejaculate to achieve that zero point 0.1 second of pleasure. To achieve that 0.1 second of pleasure, Homo sapiens ejaculate. But that is not a real pleasure. That is not a real pleasure. And in this world, in this earth, pleasures have nothing to deal with our peace of mind, our inner depth of happiness, our pertaining happiness. Okay, that's what I'm communicating here in this video. Okay, so when we preserve our semen, it gets into our spiritual body and other dimensional bodies. Other dimensional bodies it gets. So it provides a higher level of intellectual ability, a keenness of intellect. It encodes our intellect ability to heighten it. Very heightened level of intellect it provides, very heightened level of spiritual awareness, spiritual intuitive abilities. Spirituality gets deepened, spirituality gets powerful, and we connect with spiritual world very powerfully when we are retaining semen, we are maintaining celibacy, we are contacting the higher realms, the dimensional realms very easily, very easily. So now coming to this spiritual part, intellectual part, spiritual part, now coming to strength. When we talk about Lord Hanuman, Sri Hanuman, why he is the most powerful person? Why everybody say Hanuman is the most powerful person? Why? As strength is there in Hanuman that no one can beat Hanuman. No one can beat Hanuman. No one is born to beat Hanuman. As powerful, as strengthful person and a celibate and a lifetime celibate. He is a brahmachari of lifetime. He's a brahmachari means celibate. He is a celibate for life, whole life. Why? And he is the he is the most powerful person ever exist. Why? Why? The strength that retention of semen provides is vital of the vital. No one can beat that person who retains semen. No one can beat that person who retains the semen. To understand that, no one can beat that person in strength matter, because when retention of semen happens, it provides vitality in body. It provides the vitality in body. When vitality comes into body, it provides the supremacy of strength into the body, because the semen is the liquid that works in our whole body. And creation of a simple little amount of semen, we have to consume a lot of foods in our body, and by consuming a lot of foods, thereafter a minimum amount 1 ml or 0.1 ml of semen get created, and ejaculating the powerful force is not a thing that we are advised to do. Why we're not advised to do it? As much benefits, as much things that I'm talking about that I have talked about in this video, what it is working in our intellect, what is it, what how it works in our spiritual body, how it provides us to connect with the various realms, how it provides us to connect with deities, powerful energies, divine realms, everything, how it provides us the vitality of strength. When a gymmer must not be ejaculating every day, never ejaculate. A gymmer never ejaculate going to gym or something like that. Any exercising person, any power person, like any physical task person, never ejaculate. They maintain celibacy. That provides a intellect of mind to see other sexualities, other sexes very powerfully. When a person achieve the retain the sperm, the person can see any sexuality with a intellect, with a vision, with a power that it makes the person, what we say, vidwan. It makes the person vidwan. When we talk about Lord Hanuman, Sri Hanuman, Bajrang Bali ji, when we talk about him, he is known as the vidwan. Why he is vidwan? Because celibacy maintaining, retaining of semen provides him as energy, as sharp intellect, as powerful strength, as powerful intellect, strength, spiritual energy. That's why we say Hanuman is known as the spiritual of the spiritual, enlightened of the enlightened, power of the power, Vidwan of the Vidwan, everything. He is Sarvaguna Sampan. Hanuman is Sarvaguna Sampan. When we talk about Lord Hanuman, he is Sarvaguna Sampan. Means all the gunas, all the powers, everything is there with Hanuman. Everything is there with Hanuman. Lord Hanuman has everything. That's why Lord Hanuman maintains celibate. He is celibate for whole life. And there is nothing to term called pleasure. In Bhagavad Gita, we have read about there is nothing called pleasure. Lord Krishna has already focused in pleasures, materialism. These doesn't provide us reality. These are not real. These are not real. Materialism, pleasure, these are not real things. There are more vital of the vital things, more power, more essential, more things of the things that provides a depth of thing, a depth of serenity inside a human, inside a Homo sapien. That need to be achieved. That need to be achieved for everybody. That need to be breached by everybody. All Homo sapiens must not celebrate and must follow a thing. Must follow and understood and ensure that these things are working. These things are working in a very powerful thing. In a very powerful thing. In a very powerful thing. These things are going. Understand the life force, Simon, and have the benefits in your life. Become a Vidwan and explore the vitality of life and explore the essentiality of life. And you were there with amazing abilities, amazing powers by retention of semen. Semen, a fluid that going to provide you whatever you want in your life. What want? Not about materialism. There is various things that present in this earth. Go ahead, search and explore it. You're going to definitely find it. This is Thailiar. In this video, talked about retention of semen and everything. Holy!